in-laws, this is Evia from Webtech China. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce you Latchable door-hinged eggcrate gill.
It is designed for return and exhaust application for air-conditioned space.
The frame and blanks are high-quality extruded aluminum profile construction with advantages of corrosion, resistance, and rigidity. This makes it super easy to open and access, giving you full flexibility for installation and maintenance.
Hello dear, please feel free to contact me for simple.
20 years of HVAC grilles, mass production, consistent quality.